Yeah man, welcome to the Ras Techie YouTube channel. I am going to show you whether or not an uninstaller like Revo Uninstaller Pro, the paid version, which you can get as a free trial, or the free version if they're worth it or not. I also tested iObit uninstaller, man. So I tried to get rid of Mcafee virus protector. Did it work? Let's find out, man. So first things first, Mcafee virus protector at my previous workplace, it's a very stubborn app to remove. And to remove it, they had to come up with their own dedicated virus protector tool to remove it. That's how stubborn it is. So at work, I ended up having to manually uninstall it. But anyways, let's see if this program, Revo Uninstaller Pro, can do what it says, that it's going to remove not only the app, but also follow-up files that come with it, man. So we're going to click on this one, the Mcafee app, and the web advisor by Mcafee as well. And let's see if it does its job, man. So quick uninstall. So I don't want to create a system restore point. I don't need to create a backup registry thing, man. So let's do this. So it's doing this thing in its background, man. I'm telling you guys, don't waste money on these things, man. So the Mcafee uninstaller thing comes up. Let's remove all files for this program. We don't need it. Remove. We'll deal with that later. So while that's doing this thing in its background, I'm just going to wait on it and proceed to the next step. Software remove, man. So right now, I'm going to restart it later. So the thing is doing this thing in its background again. And I'm just going to say no thanks. Uninstall the web protection. No guys, the web protection, I'm not going to lie, for the Mcafee program, it's not bad. So that's done. And this Revo Uninstaller Pro says it's scanning for leftovers and it's going to put them in the recycling bin, which is good, not a bad thing. But the question is, do you have to spend money and do this? All right. So 265 leftover files deleted, 42 leftover folders deleted, as well as some registries. So let's finish. So guys, to be fair, so first thing, the pro version, trial version, you get every feature as if you paid for it. So I have 29 days left, so you can try it out yourself. So I'm going to restart the computer to make the process fair, and I'm going to show you some other things. Yeah man, so I just restart the computer. So let's see if the Revo Uninstaller Pro did what it says it's going to do. So it looks like they managed to delete a whole heap of programs, well, files, leftover files. But we're going to put that to the test same way. So if you want to know if a program is gone from your computer, check these folders here, and I'm going to put them in the description section. So you can go into run, or you can just open up a folder. Let's open up a folder, man. And so I copied that. I did not. So let's do that again. You can just put that in the address bar here. So usually when you uninstall a program from the Windows uninstaller, the leftovers will be in this folder. You understand? So nothing is here. Let's check the program files. With the percentile sign as well. So I don't see Mcafee. And guys, I'm telling you, it's a very stubborn program to remove. Like, it's so stubborn that Mcafee literally have their own uninstaller tool that you can download separate to perform the uninstallation. So I don't see Mcafee here. All right, so let's try the temp %. Don't see it here, man. Don't see it here. And it's good to delete these files once in a while. And there are many ways you can go about doing that. You see me? All right. Let's check this other folder, man. Nothing is there. Let's check the program data. Boom. So nothing seems to be there that's related to Mcafee. But let's try a couple things now to see if it's gone. Let's go task manager. Let's see if it runs in the background, because sometimes Mcafee, man, it's a very sneaky virus protector. I don't see anything that runs in the background. Let's check services. I'm going to see if it's there or not. So far, so good. All right. No complaints yet. Not so fast, man. We're going to check the entire C drive. You see me? Because I want to know if this program is worth my money. So this is going to take a while, guys. I'm just going to pause this for a bit. I'm going to come right back once the files populate, and if they do populate. Alright, guys, it took like nearly 5 minutes for this to search. So see there, the program doesn't fully work as advertised, but it works much better than if you had actually used Windows Uninstaller. But the truth is, you can actually uninstall Mcafee manually and save the money. So it have these backup files. I never asked for any backup, you see me? No, sir, I did not ask for that. And the fact is, this all takes up space. And regarding the registry edit, it does leave one program behind. But the good news is that, let's not bother with this, guys. Microsoft says you don't have to worry about deleting files in registry edit because it doesn't make a difference in Windows 11 and maybe 10, but in previous versions, yes, it did make a difference. If you don't clean your registry edit, sometimes it will clog it up. But as you can see, guys, it didn't fully carry out its job, and I was using the Pro version. This one, it's a lot worse. So if you want to delete everything manually, you would have to go through each of these folders, but you have to uninstall it in Windows first and then go through each of these folders in, like what I just did earlier. You copy and paste this, but be careful though, because one program that you delete share the same company, And so for example, if you have a Microsoft folder, you might have several programs under that one folder. And if you only delete Microsoft Office, you know what I mean? You'll be fine. But if you delete Microsoft Office and Microsoft Simulator, but you didn't uninstall Microsoft Simulator, you can corrupt the file. So in another video, I can show you how to delete leftover files properly. But guys, do yourself a favor. Save yourself the money, guys. It's not worth it. So yes, it did delete a lot of leftover files, but it did not delete everything, which is not good, guys. Waste of money, man. Save yourself the money. One love, respect.